if you go down, if you try to go down the stairs and you'll fall because it's just a ramp of snow. That like how badly it is. Ow. The dog's gonna have a rant. Like you can see how much snow there is on the table. That much. Damn it, quit digging. So this is part 2. Goodbye.